guys, back with another video, and today we're going to show you how to make Valentine's Day Rice Krispie treats.
We've been wanting to do this for a while, and hopefully it comes out good and comes out as a success, not a fail.
Well, we've done it before, but this time we want to show you how we make it.
Make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post almost daily videos.
These are all of the things that you're going to need. So you're going to need the spatula. You're going to need the spatula and a stir, the cookie cutters of your choice, butter, food coloring for the marshmallows, Rice Krispie treats, parchment paper, you'll see why, or not parchment paper, wax paper, a measuring cup, a pan like this so that way you can spread out the Rice Krispie, and also a pan.
Okay guys, so now Ariana's going to be showing you guys some quick hints on how to make Rice Krispie treats. So on the back of the Rice Krispie box, there is a recipe if you really wanted to follow how to make a perfect Rice Krispie treat. So it's gonna tell you all the things you need, like you need butter, you need all this stuff to make a Rice Krispie treat. You can buy this at Walmart. We bought it at our local Walmart, and this could also be cereal, so we have 2 reasons to use it.
Alright, so let's begin. Ariana, what is the first step?
The first step is to put butter.
How much butter?
3 tablespoons.
Okay, so guys, when you get the stick of butter, usually on the wrapping paper it'll tell you. So since it's gonna be 3, we're gonna cut it right here, like that. Genesis, one time. Yeah. Right there. Just leave it right there. Right there. Hold it. All right, there you go. Now what else, Ariana?
Okay, next is the marshmallows. Then you need 4 cups of marshmallows.
Guys, in the box right here, it tells you the directions. So you're gonna need a large saucepan to melt the butter over low heat. Add the marshmallows and stir until completely melted. So we're gonna turn on the oven right now. So we're gonna turn on the oven to
how high?
Low.
Okay.
And then Genesis is gonna take the butter and she's gonna put it into the pan and just let it do its thing, Genesis. Okay.
Alright, now I'm gonna throw this away so we don't have it.
How many cups of marshmallows? It's asking for 4 cups, so our cup has 2 cups, so basically we have to fill this up and throw it into the pan. So Genesis is about to fill it up.
And Genesis is eating marshmallows.
Yeah, she's eating marshmallows.
It tastes so good.
So you fill it up completely, Genesis.
The next part is nice to bang it on the counter.
No, you're fine.
Until
all right. So that's 1 cup.
do 1 more cup of marshmallows. A little more.
No, that's good.
Alright, next step. The next step is to eat marshmallows. Okay.
So good. Guys, this is like the best brand.
So guys, if you want to know what brand the marshmallows are from, they're really the best. They're called Jet Puff.
Yeah, from Kraft.
And guys, just saying, we really recommend the smaller ones because the bigger ones take longer, and the smaller ones you still
they're
have
easier.
A lot.
It's just harder to count with the bigger ones. So guys, real quick, I wanted to show you. I got the spatula and the stir at the Target dollar spot. Mine has like little hearts on it. and it has like the little XOXOs. Stay tuned, guys. Soon I'm gonna be decorating for Valentine's Day, so make sure that you hit the notification bell so that way you'll know when the video is up. I'm stirring the melted butter with the marshmallows.
And I'm holding it for her because she has her hand.
Ariana is holding it, but now Janice is gonna take over, and the girls are gonna take turns in making sure that all of it is melted. That's what what it looks like.
It looks really buttery and like it's starting to melt a lot. And guys, just saying, you should use a parent to help you with this. Yeah.
Be very careful.
Make sure you always, like whenever you're working in the kitchen, you always have parent supervision, especially when you're working with stoves, knives, any of that stuff. Can I mix the rest?
Yeah,
yes.
No, Ariana's here,
So hold this, and I will hold the pan.
Just be careful, guys, because that's hot.
Look at the bottom, it looks so watery. Just gonna do that.
Yeah, that's the butter that's melting.
And since we have the stove on, it helps. And you guys can see here it's kind of forming like a marshmallow melting right here.
We gotta make sure that we're good because we don't want it to stick to the pan.
Yeah. Do you mind if I can mix a little bit more? Hold the pan. You guys, you always want to hold it from the handles. If not, you'll burn yourself. Yes. Although you should have pants underneath.
Right, guys, let me see.
I think you should look.
No, keep going. Keep going with it. And now that the girls have it almost melted, you're gonna take food coloring if you want. Seeing as this is Valentine's Day, Rice Krispie treats, I wanted to make it either red or pink. Let's see what happens.
Hopefully it makes it pink because you should. Because if the marshmallows are white, it should make it pink. Can I mix it? Let me mix it.
Oh, that's a pretty color.
Oh, let's leave it like this.
Okay, we'll leave it like that.
You know what?
So we got it pink.
You know what I might do? I think I might bring a Rice Krispie treat to one of my teachers that I used to have in 4th grade.
Genesis, make sure you get the middle too. Okay, and once you see that everything is completely melted, then we'll take it off the stove, and then we will mix in the Rice Krispie treats.
Mama's taking over.
So we want to make sure that all of this is melted, but you don't want the marshmallows to burn.
And you guys can see there's a lot of Rice Krispies in here.
And the cup has, this is a 2-cup measuring cup. And Genesis is about to pour it in.
Can I pour this one?
So we need 6 of these. So this is 2. And now you have to do another cup. So you have to do 2 more cups with this one.
Ready for the next cup?
Alright, now that that's done, we're going to take all of the mix and we're going to put it into the pan. Next, you're going to take the wax paper, and this is just to flatten everything out. So first we're going to do this.
Spread it out.
Spread it out just a little bit with the spoon. You just want to make sure that everything is spread out evenly. And then you're going to take the wax paper, and here's when you actually like flatten everything out.
Like a Rice Krispie. Now I'm taking over the stove. It is a little hot.
Sure. Let this cool off first, and then we'll go in and we'll use the cookie cutter. Now that we let it cool off, the girls are gonna go in and they're gonna put in the cookie cutters to make the shape.
I'm gonna put it kind of near Ariana's. And guys, just keep in mind you could use the same thing. And you also want to press down really.
Yeah, there you go.
Where do you put this?
Got it.
Where do you put that?
Alright guys, so that's how you do the Rice Krispie treats. Just remember that when you're cutting them out, allow like a 10 to 15 minute cooling period, so that way it makes it easier for you guys to cut out in the desired shape that you want.
They were really good though.
Yeah. And now I have to try one.
Me and Ariana ended up trying it. I gave my mom a bite. So but hopefully she likes the whole one.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bite into one of these.
We all get to take a bite now. So you take it first.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
And that is it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Snapchat. And until next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah.